Sibona Ndumelane Option. Hi, welcome back to Umi's Tea ngoba le tea liyashisa lifuna uhlale phansi ngoba uzosha mangabe uliphuza uhamba. So here's what was interesting about yesterday's episode of Uthando Nesithembu, as when uMakhumalo's sister mentioned the fact that Umseleku makes it look like uMakhumalo was barren, wayinyumba, but it's not the case. uMakhumalo was actually fertile, but the only problem was that she couldn't carry abantwana to full term. She mentioned that uMakhumalo wayekhulela. I believe she needed to say that because uMakhumalo, making her look like she's failing in those type of vibes. Aibo, fail where? Fail what? Oh, another interesting thing was what uMakhumalo's sister said. Ukuthi njengoba uSamke wayeze la Umseleku uzonceda uMakhumalo, because it's what they're alleged. And then Umseleku mentioned that ubetshela uMakhumalo before whenever he has found someone new, and then uMacele would have a problem with him doing that. So that's why this time he was like, no, I'm not telling anyone. Ngitshela uMacele and ubheke ukuthi ngiyatshela uMacele into zakhe zihamba kahle. So I think that was the best way to go about it. But now I'm confused because, okay, so does this mean ukuthi uSamke, is she there to help uMakhumalo with the child thing? Like, I'm understanding. Maybe I am the one that is confused. Please comment down below in the comment section if you understand what Umseleku was implying about the Samke and Makhumalo situation. Because if that's the case, imagine uSamke eyitshela kangaka ngapha uzele uzonceda uMakhumalo. I think that kumele azehlise kancane. Like, she really needs to get to a point where she's off that high horse. And then Umseleku mentioned the fact that ilobola lika Samke will not be finalized until elungisa izinto noMakhumalo. So which means uMakhumalo is the boss. If I was uSamke at this point, I'd be handling myself ukuze into zami zihamba kahle, cause the ball is in Makhumalo's court. So when whatever Makhumalo says goes now. But anyway, because we know Umseleku siyazithandela ngoSamke ingane encane nje, I doubt that's going to happen. I feel like everything is going to go according to plan, because as we've seen from the trailer of what is going to happen next week, there's a celebration at the Kwela family. So asazi ukuthi umshado noma qedelelwa amalobola noma what, or is the gifting ceremony sizobona phambili. But if that's the case, yazini, one thing about uSamke, whatever layidlisa Umseleku mangabe kuyadlisiwa, whatever love that Umseleku has for Samke is so real. Ngoba into zikaSamke ziyashesha la Umseleku ujahile ukuthi nje ebhentheni lami ngilifuna la eduze mntanami eduze. Wow, the funny thing is that uMakhumalo, the way she hates uSamke ngakhona, she even told Umseleku ukuthi yazi bene ntombazane yakho njile arrogant, uphaphile, uyazitshela. Like where? Hey, futhi sekahluleke ngendlela zonke, ubona kahle ukuthi ngqondo nje sengiqambe amanga nje ngimfune ne-personality engayona. But one thing I have to say, uyaphapha yena vele. She is arrogant. Yes, on the show she might not be arrogant, but on social media she's very arrogant. She's very arrogant because simbonile lapha singing the song Mapoloba, and apparently uMapoloba happens to be ex kaMakhumalo. So obviously if you're gonna throw shade and do those things, that's being arrogant. Like, for someone that is number 5, I mean, what comes before 5 is 3, so which means number 3 is up there when we are down there. But the way so ndizela phezulu, the way so namaphiwo ngakhona hayi uphaphile unamethe ipere kwakitima ngwanyana. That's why mina I'm like, why all of a sudden izinto zikaMakhumalo sezaphuma just because now the neighbor is in the house? Like, does it make sense? Even lama scandal, lama secrets, everything that is coming out, I feel like Makhwela might have a thing to do with it. I'm not saying she has, but she might have a thing to do with that, because all along thina besazi Makhumalo with this person, then suddenly, hey, aga expose umntwana abantu. You never know who is exposing her, even if it's not uMakhwela, but someone close to Makhwela might be involved in dishing out the scandals, the rumors, the everything. Because what? Before uMakhwela besiwazi nokuthi uMakhumalo nomntwana, I doubt. But wafika umntwana, shuthi wazikhipha zonke, wathi phela mina ngiyamazi, mzala siyakwazi sikhula nawe, you know the vibes. And for uMakhumalo to demand ukuthi Umseleku alahle uSamke, hayibo, amlahle kanjani sekunomntwana? uyomlahla kanjani? Or maybe she spoke about that before umntwana efika, because if bekunomntwana and then she azomtshela ukuthi balahle uSamke, then uMakhumalo is very cruel. La uzomlahla kanjani? And then makamlahla uMethuli uyokhuliswa ubani? Makayeke ukuba yibhuli. Awu, abanye abafazi bathulile wuye nje ney'gaqa after iy'gaqa. Yo, hhayi ngiyalisaba. Yabona uSamke? Hayi ngiyamsaba. Hhayi ngiyamsaba uSamke. Hayibo, hayibo. Hayi. uSamke is very strong. Ayiwanda nje ukuthi unikeza uMseleku yiphi izikiziki, hhayi. Yo, because ever since afikile, hayibo, uMseleku watshintsha wajikela uMakhumalo isithandwa sakhe, hayibo. Ngiyakusaba Samke, ngiyakunqoma. Umkhulu, like phela before uSamke came, uMakhumalo bokuyiqanda lika Mseleku, he wanted nothing to do ngoMakhumalo. Bekabajikela bonke beside uMakhumalo, but kwafika uSamke, zajika izinto fast. One thing about uMacele uyindlunkulu. uMacele uyobaphethe, makathi ngithi lo akahambi, makathi uyahlala. After Mseleku kuza uMacele, labo bekumele ba-accept-e kubheka uSamke. uSamke uhlele kamnandi because uMacele was like akayindawo uyahlala. Ubani yena uMakhumalo ozotshela ukuthi ungena bani phuma bani? Hayibo. And look at where Samke is. Samke is inside the house. Samke is enjoying the benefits. Kumnandi kusana. But let's be honest, uMakhwela does undermine uMakhumalo because ufeel ukuthi okay, just because mina nginomntwana, which is something that uMakhumalo unfortunately doesn't have. Kusho ukuthi mina ngumfazi kangcono ongidlula yena. Like seriously, forgetting ukuthi uMakhumalo is the engine njengoba eshilo uMseleku. So without the engine umoto uzohamba kanjani? Angeke zidume lama relationship ethu awayikude sisi. Uzithobe mntasekhaya, mangafuna ukuhlala kamnandi lapho uzithobe, umlalele, umazi i-position yamakhwela, because that position is very big mntana abantu. Noma ungathanda, you cannot replace uMakhumalo. She can never even come close to what Umakhumalo, to who and what Umakhumalo is. So she needs to eat the humble pie. You can see the arrogance of uSamke when she said, mina nginandaba nokuthi abanye bathini nani, mina ngisibhekele umyeni wami nomntwana. Akhohlwa ukuthi kuloyo myeni wakhe, she's not alone. She needs to learn to humble herself and coexist with otherwise. Because later akitsho ukuthi yena uzofika izimo lapho uzobadinga khona. Ngcono uyithulele sisi. You see, the other wives are living together, are coexisting. So when you choose to offer ubelisi, awunandaba nabo. Ubani. Number 5, relax. Then Mseleku addressed the fact that uMakhwela will always come beneath uMakhumalo because uMakhumalo number 3, uMakhwela number 5, and also the fact ukuthi just because akanamntwana yena uyam-understand. If um-understand, bowungeke ukuthi mawuqeda ukuthola uMakhwela uqhomele uMakhumalo ngitshela ukuthi yes ngithole i-Ben 10 lami, 2K lami elikwazi ukungizalela, because that's what uMakhumalo said. So that shows ukuthi nje you were not thinking about Umakhumalo at that time. You were just so excited with yo ngwazile ukuzala at the age of 50. What a miracle. And uyenzela ubani uSamke. But unfortunately, uSamke one day she's gonna be in the position that Umakhumalo is at. The only person who has never been in a position where we are like, oh, she hates him is uMacele. But the other wives, baqale njengawe kuvutha amalanga bajabule ukuzutirela umakoti wakho uzokutshela ukuthi yabona la akudlalwa sisi, la ufika ujabulile, ufika urespectful, ugcine suthena uba yibhubezi. Isithembu leso usibukele kahle. You can start from season 1 to season 9 uzobona ukuthi laba bafazi laba abatshintsha ngelanga elihambe bafana nawe. Bakanje bajabulile bazibona ngathi hey bafikile, kanti hey bayoshayisa itraga la baya khona. So nawe you need to humble yourself sisikancane nje, uthi turn down the volume kancane uzoba